Septic system wastewater surfacing because of frozen ground can seriously mess up your yard and your whole system if you don't handle it right. So, first off, you want to make sure your septic pipes and tank are insulated well before the cold hits. Wrap those pipes with foam sleeves or heat tape to keep the water flowing and stop freezing. Next, keep some heat around your septic system by using a small heater or heat lamps near the tank area, especially when the weather gets super cold. Adding a thick layer of mulch or straw over the drain field and tank helps keep the ground warmer and prevents freezing too. Try to avoid heavy foot traffic or driving over the septic area during winter, since it compacts the ground and makes freezing worse. Also, don't forget to keep your septic system pumped regularly so solids aren't building up and causing backups that get worse in freezing temps. If you notice wastewater surfacing, shut off water use inside the house to reduce strain on the system until you can fix it. Lastly, plant some deep-rooted grass or plants around your drain field to help insulate and absorb excess moisture. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems in cold weather is not insulating pipes or tanks properly, which leads to frozen pipes and backups. Fix this by wrapping pipes and using heat tape. Another issue is neglecting regular septic pumping. If you wait too long, solids clog the system, making it more likely to surface when it's frozen. Schedule pumping every 3 to 5 years depending on use. Finally, ignoring heavy traffic on the drain field in winter compacts soil and increases freezing problems. Avoid parking or walking there when the ground is frozen to keep everything functioning smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with septic systems and other home projects. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need their skills and grow their business without all the hassle.